In this video on Google Earth Pro, we explore using historical imagery. These videos were made possible by AmericaView, Virginia View, the Virginia Cooperative Extension, Colorado Mesa University, and Virginia Tech's College of Natural Resources and Environment. Funding for this program was provided by the United States Geological Survey under grant number G14AP00002. The contents of this video and the related written tutorial are solely the responsibility of the authors and do not represent the official views of the U.S. Geological Survey. Mention of trade names or commercial products does not constitute their endorsement by the United States government. This video accompanies Section 6 of Chapter 3 in a written tutorial titled Exploring Our Planet with Open Source Software. You can find the written tutorial at virginiaview.cnre.vt.edu/education or at americaview.org exploring our planet. Google Earth Pro has historical imagery available, whereas Google Earth Web and Google Earth Mobile only display the most recent overhead imagery available. To access historical imagery, we need to turn on the historical imagery option. For this tutorial, we are zoomed in to Dubai in Saudi Arabia and looking at the area just off the coast. In the main toolbar, go to View and locate the historical imagery. It is 5 items from the bottom. As you can see, the box in front of historical imagery is not checked. Check the box. Once the box is checked, the historical imagery sliding bar opens on the top of the map document window. But this is not the only area where you can turn on the historical imagery sliding bar. On the icon toolbar, you see a clock. Click it and you will see that the historical imagery sliding bar that was just added is gone. Let's take a closer look at the sliding bar. Currently, the bar is all the way over to the right, and the date showing is 2016. This is the date on the bottom. This is the most recent date for which an image available. The date on the top, February 2018, in my screenshot, is the month and year of this screenshot. Let's take a closer look at the sliding bar. Currently, the bar is all the way over to the right, and the date showing is 2016. This is the date on the bottom of the toolbar. This is the most recent date for which an image is available. The date on the top, 2/2018, in my screenshot, is the month and year of this screenshot. The date on the left, 1984, is the date of the oldest image. You can either slide the White House-like icon back and forth on the bar, or click on an individual line to change the date. In this toolbar, we clicked it once and it moved to December 1996. As a reminder, the images for this region go back to 1984. These dates change depending on the particular region you are examining. Let's look at the sliding bar a little bit closer. In the upper left is a zoom out and a zoom in. These are to zoom in on the sliding bar, not the image. In this case, when we zoomed in on the sliding bar, it reduced the time period from 1984 to 2016 to 2007 to 2016. The tool in the upper right-hand corner of the historical image sliding bar is the date and time options. You can change the date and times that show on the sliding bar. You can also change the time zone. Go ahead and slide your historical image sliding bar all the way back to the right, 2015. Your image in the map document window will look like this, with, of course, the exception of the 2015 in the very large numbers that I have added to this image. What I want you to do is watch very carefully the Palm Islands off the coast of Dubai. Okay. Before we move on, look at the date in the lower status bar, December 13, 2015. So your date doesn't just show on the historical image sliding bar, it also shows in the very bottom imagery date. So you can have two areas where you can watch the date for your historical image. Now again, watch. This is a screenshot of the off the coast of Dubai in 2015. Move your sliding bar to 2006. And again, just watch these images as we scroll through these screenshots. 2004. You see the islands to the north are almost gone, as is the one to the very southwest. 2002. The only Palm Island still slightly visible is the one in the middle. And again, it's only slightly visible. But also, though, notice the change in the extent of urban area on the actual land. 2000. No Palm Islands are in existence off the coast of Dubai. Palm Islands are man-made constructs. Historical imagery is an excellent tool for showing changes over time. Let's look at a couple other examples. Another region, Las Vegas, Nevada. We're going to look at the historical imagery bar, and the images go back for this particular region to 1950. Let's first zoom on the airport. You can notice extensive urbanization, houses, other structures around the airport. Move the sliding bar back to 1977. Okay. Notice also the date of the image changes in the lower status bar. Now move it back to 1950. These changes over time show expanding urban area, but also the greening of a desert area. And if you were to zoom out just a little bit, you will see extensive changes in Lake Powell. Also notice, did you notice that the source of the image has now changed? We're going to look at another area, the Aral Sea. The Aral Sea was once the fourth largest sea in the world. It's located in Asia. Here's 1972, 1987, 2016. In the 1960s, for irrigation purposes, the Soviet Union diverted water from the two rivers that fed the Aral Sea. This has caused tremendous land degradation and other impacts on this region. Let's look at one more example. Saudi Arabia, 1984 to 2016, and changes in land cover from irrigated agriculture. The images that we show in this video are slightly different from the region of Saudi Arabia shown in the written tutorial, but the point is that both show extensive changes from irrigation, but also efforts to keep up food production for an expanding population. If you have any questions with regards to this video or the accompanying written tutorial, please contact Dr. Tammy Parise at Colorado Mesa University or Dr. James Campbell at Virginia Tech. The email addresses are shown on the screen.